Dang it, pizza. Now we're stuck in here because of your ritual. Hey, maybe we can escape through here? Don't worry. I just need to find him. I can find him, then we'll be okay. We'll rest here for now. You know, Mom, I actually learned something today. I learned that even though people can be a bit annoying and, well, I should still treat others how I want to be treated. It's you! Thanks for getting me out of that. Can't we actually trust you? Oh no. If there's so many portals opening, that means that the negative has already chosen its victim. The positive.
I feel so young, chatting with you. Others say that the night passes away. With you by my side, the night can't run.